Learning Norwegian can be both exciting and enriching. This language shares many similarities with English, making it easier for beginners to grasp. Let's start with some fundamental vocabulary. Knowing how to refer to family members is essential. Words like sister translate to søster, and brother is bror. Understanding these basic family terms is the first step in conversational Norwegian. In Norwegian, adjectives follow the noun they describe, similar to English. The word very in Norwegian is veldig. For example, very smart is veldig smart, and this structure can apply to various contexts. Keep practicing how to form simple sentences using these words like jeg er veldig smart, which means I'm very smart. Possessive pronouns are used frequently in daily conversations. To say, my brother is nice, you would say broren min er snill, and my sister is nice, translates to søsteren min er snill. And note how the possessive pronoun comes after the noun, which may feel different from English but becomes intuitive with practice. Understanding articles is crucial for forming coherent sentences. A translates to n when referring to masculine or common gender nouns, and et for neuter nouns. For instance, a father is anfar, and a mother is anmor. Becoming familiar with these articles helps in constructing basic sentences accurately. Norwegian, like any other language, has frequently used words that are helpful in daily communication. Words like yes, ja, thanks, takk, and oj can quickly become part of your vocabulary. Combining these with other words helps build your conversational skills. For instance, saying ja, du er datteren min means yes, you are my daughter. Learning how to express relations and attributes enhances your ability to communicate personal details. Saying my father is tall translates to feren min er høy, and the mother and the son is moren og sønnen. These sentences highlight how possessive pronouns and articles are used to depict relationships and characteristics in Norwegian. Finally, incorporating everyday vocabulary like beer, øl, and coffee, kaffe, into your learning can be fun and practical. These words are commonly used and provide a good practice in pronunciation and understanding sentence structure. Saying I am Marie would be jeg er Marie, a simple yet powerful way to introduce oneself. By understanding and using these fundamental words and phrases, you are well on your way to building a solid foundation in the Norwegian language. Practice regularly, and you'll find yourself more comfortable and confident in using Norwegian in various contexts. Happy learning!